We know that the pandemic has been long and difficult. We recognize the weather is turning and is going to be less cooperative for outdoor time. And we know that we're all craving social connections. So, as fall and winter approach, we're facing difficult choices like how to see our family and friends and stay as safe as possible, how to share moments around holidays and game days and other traditions. We also know that gathering in groups, even with people we know, can spread COVID-19. The more we interact with people at a gathering, the longer those interactions are, the higher the risk is of becoming infected. With that in mind, this new site has some creative ideas for safer celebrations on game days, Halloween, and the winter holidays. One fun idea that I plan to use is called surprise delivery. And for surprise delivery, you find your tailgate buddies for game day, and instead of meeting to tailgate, you watch the game at home and order takeout and have it delivered to your tailgate buddies who will have a surprise and experience an act of kindness and some positive vibes from a close friend or family member. There's also a safety checklist that you can follow before a gathering. If you do decide to gather in person, there are some simple steps you can take before, during, and after to reduce risk to yourself, your family, and the people you are meeting. We've also included a guide that you can use to have conversations with your friends and family about whether to gather and how to make plans safely and prioritize safety if you do. A few things for you to consider is thinking about has anyone experienced COVID-like symptoms in the last 2 weeks or been in close contact with someone who recently tested positive? Will we meet indoors or outside? What will we do if we plan to meet outside and the weather's not good? Is everyone comfortable wearing a mask? What about children, specifically children older than 2? How will we share food or not? Are any individuals that we plan to gather with considered high risk? So there are those types of questions and a whole host more. This site is available in English, and we're just finishing up the Spanish translations and expect those to be up soon. We're also creating fact sheets on having safer gatherings in multiple languages. We have started advertising this resource on social media, and we will follow with TV, streaming, radio, and other types of ads to get the word out about this. You can find these resources and additional ones on the site at www.coronavirus.wa.gov/gatherings.